So we got a couple boneless pork chops. Let's get these put on here and seasoned up and fired up. Yeah, buddy. Alright, so we got the pork chops laid out. I'm going to do 2 with just a salt and pepper blend. It's just 2 parts of black pepper and 1 part salt. Now these other 2, we're going to do a little bit of Uncle Steve's original. We're going to take the Chefstemp, and that'll go almost all the way through. So we want to just kind of get it in there, about there. And then we're going to take the short one, and that'll go right about to the middle, which is where we want to feel it. Alright, let's saying this one here. $152, $156. So we overshot, but that's okay. Let's get them off. I'm just gonna lightly foil these. And let them rest. Alright, these pork chops have rested for a little bit. Let's take a look at these bad boys. Oh, look at that. Let's get them plated up and then we'll do the taste test. There we go. We'll take these out now because they're cooled off. Alright. Back up and let's get us a little snapshot there. Alright, so there's nothing left to do but cut into it. Let's do the salt and pepper one first. Look at that. Does that look? Pretty big bite, so let's cut this in half. Give it a taste test. Nice and juicy. Salt and peppery. Let's try this Uncle Steve's original. Nice color. Look at that. Wow, that Uncle Steve's gives a good flavor. a nice even balance of the salt and the paprika and the other spices in it. That's a good one. I'm not sure which one's my favorite because I like them both. But hey man, get out there and try it. Rock on!